Is what?
This is Honeydew.
Honeydew. Hi, Honeydew. Look at those markings. They're so distinct.
Hey.
So pretty.
Here we go.
Okay, you know that? Okay.
That should be good.
Can we pet him, what do you think? Or no?
Just a little. You have to ask her for permission
Oh.
first because she gets upset when people just reach up and start petting
Sure.
her. So you do this first,
Uh-huh.
and then she'll be okay with it or she won't. Right now she's saying I'm being playful.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll just watch you then.
She's such a good girl.
How old is she?
She is just a few months old. She's a baby.
Oh, oh my goodness.
We're like 4 months. Yeah.
Oh. So how big will she get?
She'll stay this size. She's going to fill out a little bit. She's a little bit like smaller than her full grown.
Okay, that's really good to know.
Yeah.
And then how long will she live?
Forever.
They just have a very long life.
Oh, yeah. Like, it can be up to 80 years. I've even heard over 100 with really good care. I know someone who has one, not one of these, it's a Scarlet who's 105.
Oh my goodness.
They
Wow.
live forever. It's a huge commitment. Even the smaller birds live a very long time. Like our cockatiels over there, they live to be like 25. Yeah, I think so. She's the baby. She's got a long life ahead of her.
Oh, she's so pretty. Yeah, she sure loves you.
You know what you can do? This is our.
You my good friend.
Now, will she talk, say words eventually?
She says hi already.
Oh, will she say it for us, or just if
Honey, do you want to say hi?
Yes. Have you
Say
shot
hi.
You're gonna take a new custody,
Hi.
and then we're gonna get back.
No,
no, she's not ready. Okay, she doesn't
not
want to
right
do
now.
it. Okay.
Awesome.
I'm trying to teach her how to say I love you and like hi Honeydew.
Oh,
But I think it'd be cute to teach her. Look at me. I think that'd be cute.
oh, that'd be cute.
That would
Yeah.
be a really cute one. I've never
How
heard
long
that
does it
before.
take to teach them to say a phrase?
It really depends on the birds.
Yeah.
But it's usually with the macaws. It's pretty early.
Oh, so is she what? What is her
She's a blue and gold macaw.
blue and gold?